What is a conference? General explanation. Prepared by Parrot Canada. Visa Consultant Company Limited. Conference is a formal gathering of people with shared interests, usually professionals, academics, researchers, or industry experts who come together to exchange ideas and knowledge, present and discuss research, network with peers, collaborate on projects or innovations, stay updated on new developments in a specific field. Types of conferences. 1. Academic conferences. Focus on research, new findings, and scholarly discussion. Common in universities and research institutions. Example, a science or education research conference. 2. Professional industry conference. Target working professionals in a specific sector. Include training, case studies, and networking. Example, tech summits, business expos, medical symposiums. 3. Workshops and seminars. Smaller, interactive sessions that focus on skill development or problem solving. 4. Virtual, online conferences held via platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Accessible to a global audience without travel. Common features of a conference. Keynote speakers, experts delivering high-impact talks. Paper presentations, researchers share their findings. Panel discussions, experts debate or discuss hot topics. Networking sessions, meet others and build connections. Exhibitions, companies or institutions showcase their innovations or services. Publications, selected papers may be published in journals or proceedings. Why attend a conference? Present your research or work. Receive feedback and recognition. Discover new trends and technologies. Build a professional network. Enhance your CV or academic profile. Parrot representative, contacts worldwide. Hungary, +36 70 352 7547. Kenya, Nairobi, +254 711 807646. Uganda, Kampala, +256 784 547702. China, +86 131 3257 7440. Turkey, +90 533 869 40 92. USA, +1 567 329 9231. Rwanda, +250 780 273 122. Ghana, +233 59 340 0478. Canada, +1 431 302 226. Zambia, +260 972 968 Mozambique, +258 86 352 3312. South Korea, +82 10 9862 0978. Our offices: Parrot Canada, Visa Consultant Co. Ltd. Rwanda Town Center Building, near Simba Supermarket, 2nd floor. Door, F2B022C, Nyarugenge, Kigali, Rwanda. Email, infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Kenya Embu Dallas, CFF Street email, info@visaconsultantcanada.co.ke. Kana Ahinsa Estate, Kumasi email, admission@Visa Consultant Com Zambia. Plot number 40, St. Francis Road, Bonaventure, Lusaka. Email, infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Tanzania. Registered office, Dar es Salaam, Region, Ubungo District, Ward Mbezi, Postal Code 1613, Mbezi Luis, Mbezi High School. Email, infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. South Korea. Suwon, Paldal-gu, Paldal-Munro, 115, Byungil 38, 1st floor. Phone, +82 10 9862 0978. General contact info. Phone, +1 263 588 5750. WhatsApp, +1 438 290 6688. Email, infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Website, www.visaconsultantcanada.com.